It's 2007. Apple, a company known for its sleek computers, unveils something new, the iPhone. People are captivated. It's not just a phone, it's a new kind of computer we can hold in our hands. Powering this revolution is iOS 1. It has no App Store yet, no Siri, but it introduces the world to multi-touch. We learn to pinch and zoom. We browse the web with our fingers. It feels magical. iOS 1.1 arrives quickly, bringing iTunes music purchases directly to the phone. Later versions bring features like copy and paste, MMS messaging, and spotlight search. Each update refines the experience, making the iPhone easier and more enjoyable to use. The world takes notice. This is not just a fad, it's the future of mobile computing. 2008, the App Store launches. It's a game changer. Suddenly, anyone can create software for the iPhone. Hundreds, then thousands of apps appear. Games, productivity tools, social media, the possibilities seem endless. iOS 3 brings crucial features for developers, enabling even more creative and powerful apps. The iPhone transforms from a phone into a multi-purpose device. With iOS 4, multitasking arrives. We can now switch between apps seamlessly. Folders help organize our growing app libraries. The iPhone becomes even more powerful, capable of handling our busy lives. Apple introduces FaceTime, bringing video calling to the mainstream. The world connects in a new way. iOS 5 brings Siri, the voice assistant that changes how we interact with our phones. We can speak commands, ask questions, and get things done with just our voice. iCloud synchronizes our data across devices, making the Apple ecosystem even more seamless. With each update, iOS becomes more intelligent, intuitive, and user-friendly. Apple introduces Control Center and AirDrop in iOS 7, simplifying common tasks and file sharing. The design language shifts to a flatter, more modern aesthetic. iOS 8 brings interactive notifications and third-party keyboards, giving users more control and customization options. Apple Pay arrives, revolutionizing mobile payments with its security and ease of use. Fast forward to today, iOS 18 continues to refine the mobile experience. Augmented reality, health tracking, and machine learning are now core parts of the platform. The iPhone has become an indispensable tool for communication, entertainment, productivity, and more. iOS has not just evolved, it has defined the smartphone era. The impact of iOS extends far beyond Apple. It has pushed the entire tech industry forward, inspiring innovation and competition. It has created a vast ecosystem of developers, designers, and accessory makers. Most importantly, it has empowered millions of users worldwide, changing how we live, work, and play. The journey from iOS 1 to 18 is a testament to the power of continuous innovation, user-centric design, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. As technology continues to evolve, one thing is certain: iOS will continue to shape the future of mobile computing.